Hello everybody. So in today's video I'm going to be drawing y'all an avocado and egg toast, fried egg toast. So I'm going to start with the outline of the bread. And just stop it over here. I'm going to continue the line from here. Turn it around over here. And then this is going to be the bottom of the toast. I'm going to get this line up over here. And then stop it over here. I'm going to continue the line from here now. And then just bring it down. And stop it over here. Next thing I'm going to do is the outline of the egg. For the outline of the egg, you can just really do any sort of curvy line you want. It doesn't have to be exactly like this. I'm going to start from here. And if you want to forget the egg completely, you can just do avocado toast. I think what's forgiving about digital art is if you make a mistake, you can always double tap and undo the thing. Now I'm going to draw the top of the egg. And then stop it over here. Next thing I'm going to draw is the first avocado. So does anybody out there like avocado toast or just plain avocado by itself? Drop a comment below and let me know. I think what's cool about avocado is the fact that it's such a universal fruit, at least I think it's called a fruit, that can be had or paired with anything else. When you draw the avocado, you can also draw them as cubes. That's another way it's cut up. Now I'm going to draw another slice of avocado over here. And these lines that I'm drawing on the avocado is just to give it a little bit of a 3D look, so it doesn't look flat on the screen. Now I'm going to draw the third slice of avocado. Just curve it like this and join it up over here. I think besides doing the line art for these videos, I enjoy doing the coloring part as well. So let me know if you guys would like to see a coloring video. The whole channel is going to be just how to draw, but if y'all would like to see a coloring video, let me know in the comments below of this video or any other ones I do make. Now I'm going to draw the somewhat of a round egg yolk. Next thing I'm going to do is some lines on the outside of this toast to give it the 3D look. So it looks like the egg and the avocado is a three-dimensional looking toast. Now what I'm going to do is the outline of the crust of the bread. So I'm going to start with a line from here. And then I'm just going to continue this line. And then just connect it over here. Actually bring it all the way. I'm going to do the bottom half of it now. Then I'm just going to finish it off by connecting this line over here to the egg. And there we have it, people, our lovely avocado and egg toast. So for the next part of this video, I'm just going to do a time lapse and color this in. Thanks for following along and drawing, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye for now.